Fire alert system using GSM module. Every day, we hear of fire accidents happening somewhere. It takes the lives of many people and damages huge property. Most of the damages in fire accidents occur due to lack of early fire detection. In this tutorial, you will learn to make a GSM-based fire alert system using Arduino and flame detector sensor. When the flame sensor detects the fire, SMS alert will be sent to the predefined phone number stored inside the Arduino. This system has applications in many areas, like industries, companies, offices, shopping malls, and even at our home. Here is the connection diagram of this project. SIM900 GSM module has 4 main pins: VCC, ground, RX, and TX. VCC pin is connected with the 5-volt pin of Arduino, and ground pin is connected with the ground pin of Arduino. TX pin will transmit the data to the Arduino, so it will be connected with the RX pin of Arduino. RX pin will receive the data from Arduino, so it will be connected with the TX pin of Arduino. Fire sensor module has 3 pins: VCC, ground, and output. VCC pin is connected with the 5-volt pin of Arduino, and ground pin is connected with the ground pin of Arduino. Connect the output pin of the fire sensor with pin number 7 of Arduino. This is the code of our project. Sensor state is an integer type variable. It is used in the program to store the status of input pin. Initially we have set its value to high. Void setup is a function in which we initialize the serial communication. We have generated 5 seconds delay for power supply stabilization. 9600 is the speed of data communication. Data will transmit between GSM module and Arduino with the speed of 9600 bits per second. We will read the status of the fire sensor connected at pin number 7. So we will make pin number 7 an input pin. Serial.println ATE0. This is a command for GSM module, which will turn off the echo message. Serial.println AT plus CMGF equal to 1. This command will turn on the text mode in GSM module. Void loop. This function will run over and over again forever, so whatever we have written inside it will repeat forever. Sensor state equal digital read 7. Digital read is a function which will read the status of pin number 7 and store its value in a variable sensor state. If sensor state value is low, then GSM module will send the alert SMS. Serial.println AT plus CMGS equal to mobile number /r. This command will save the receiver's mobile number. Now in the next line enter the alert message to be sent. Serial.println character 26. This command will send the message on the given number. Now, we will write a code on this software. After writing the code, we will save our project. Now we will compile our code. For doing this, press this check button. If there is any error in the code, or the code is incorrect, it can be seen on the message screen below. If the code is correct, we can upload it to our Arduino hardware board. For this, we will first connect the Arduino board to the USB port of our computer. Now we will go to the Tools menu and select Arduino Uno. Then, we will go to the port option and select the port at which Arduino is connected. Now, to transfer this code to our hardware, we will press this arrow button. Our code has been uploaded to the hardware successfully. Now we will assemble our hardware. Connect the red, black, green, and yellow wire with the VCC, ground, TX, and RX pin of SIM900 GSM module. Connect the red wire of SIM900 GSM module with the 5-volt pin. Black wire with the ground pin of Arduino. Connect the green wire with the RX pin, and yellow wire with TX pin of Arduino. Connect red, black, and brown wires at VCC, ground, and signal pins of fire sensor respectively. Connect the red wire of fire sensor with the 5-volt pin, black wire with the ground pin, and brown wire with pin number 7 of Arduino. Now we will power up our project and test its functionality. We will use a matchstick to generate the fire. When there is a fire in front of the sensor, then GSM module will send the alert message on a predefined number. Our project is working as expected. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. For any help in your project or to clear your doubts, you can contact us on our student care number 7007957715. To purchase the items used in the video, you can visit our website www.erolltech.com. You can order us on our WhatsApp number also. Thank you so much.